Hi guys, so for today's video, ituturo ko sa inyo on how I normally laminate 30 microns na hot laminating film. So as you can see, nagamit na ako ng squeegee to even out yung film. This is to make sure na walang crinkles if I start laminating. So this time, isiset ko yung laminator ko into its lowest temperature, which is 100 degrees. Naka-hot siya. And then, I'm holding it down. Tapos, baba natin ko siya sa dulo. This is to ensure na later on smooth yung pagka-laminate sa kanya. At para na rin alalayan yung film. Kasi before ko to ginagawa, madami talagang nasasayang na film. Kasi kapag iniwan mo lang siya after mo isalang, most likely magte-crinkle talaga siya, especially yung glossy type nito. So right now I'm using matte, which is hindi gaanong mahirap i-laminate. So this film is normally used for calling cards. Pero ngayon gagamitin ko siya for like this is like a mini flashcard for my son. So yun lang guys. So if you want more of these types of videos, you can like this and share, or you can subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one. Bye.